And hello everybody. So I'm recording this on Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite smartphone on Android MIUI 13.0.6. So, YouTube application on smartphone, you can watch different videos, but there are also ads. So today in two web browsers, Brave and Firefox, I will show you how you can block the ads, trackers and such on specific websites, like YouTube. Website version of YouTube is not as function-rich as original YouTube application, but you can still watch videos, comment, do a bunch of different stuff and such. It is a little bit less functionality, let's say. Okay, so without further ado, let's roll in the intro. First is how to install web browsers. You install whatever one you want. If you already have them, skip this first part. So I will just tap on Play Store, tap on Search, tap on Search Apps and Games, type Brave, and tap Search button. Here I have Brave private web browser and manufacturer is Brave software. Install only from the manufacturer itself. And now just tap install. And let's tap up here Brave, tap on the cross and type. Xiaomi has scanning ability, so when app is installed, system automatically scans for virus, etc. But in one of my previous videos I showed you how you can disable this thing if it is too annoying maybe for you, but it is all up to you. Firefox, search, Firefox fast and private browser. Mozilla is manufacturer and type install. Need to wait a little bit. And it is installed. I will just tap home. I don't care about scan. And here we have Brave and Firefox. First, let's start with Brave. Tap on it. I will not go through this default stuff. I will set Brave as default, set. Maybe later. Continue. And here is the main page of the Brave web browser. Let's go to the YouTube web page. YouTube.com is YouTube website. If you add /ACOnetwork, you can visit the channel directly and visit the web page. And here just tap outside. This is ad blocker which is integrated inside the web browser. This orange lion button thingy. If you tap on it, you see that orange switch, it is turned on. If you tap on it, website refreshes and it is gray. So no trackers, no ads are blocked. If you tap it again, orange means it is blocked. And now let's say videos and tap on the video is playing. If I press home button, video can still be playing in the background, so you can hear and do other stuff. And I will just tap stop. That is Brave web browser functionality that it can play in the background. I believe it is also available for Firefox, but not sure. Okay, let's go to Mozilla Firefox. Tap on the application. That is first run. Yes, you need to consent. Cancel. Not now. Not now. Continue. And that is the first page. Firefox is a little bit different because we need to install the add-on extension for blocking ads, trackers and such. To do this, tap three dots button up and right, tap on extensions, and very first one is uBlock Origin. In the line of uBlock Origin, tap plus. Tap on add to add it to your browser and tap OK to confirm. You can install whatever add-on you want from this list. There is also Read Aloud, which is reading text from the website in different languages. You can add it just like this and such. So let's go back. Now let's visit youtube.com/ if I want to visit my YouTube channel, ACOnetwork, and press search. And the difference is from Firefox to Brave. It asks me if I want to open it in original YouTube application. Of course, no. I will tap cancel. Here, before you continue, if you accept cookies and such, you can accept or reject, tap whatever you want. And now this is it. Ads are blocked, and to modify if you want to enable or disable, tap three dots again like before. Tap on the arrow in the line of extensions, and here it is, uBlock Origin. Tap on it, and here is this blue button. If you tap on it and tap refresh, website will be refreshed in the background, and no ads, trackers and such will be blocked. If you tap on it and refresh, all ads, trackers and such will be blocked for specific web page that you have opened. In my case, m.youtube.com. And that's it. Now I can go back. I can open some video. Does not matter which one, QNAP, and watch in peace. And that was it. If you want, for example, for me to make a video about the differences between YouTube application and YouTube website in the web browser, type in the comment section below. If you want something else, if you did not understand something whatsoever, type everything in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and see ya next time. Bye bye!